No, and we're not wasting our time.
Yes, you are.
Why are we wasting our time?
Because we not done things.
So that means we're wasting time?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, we need to go now.
You're wasting your time.
Everybody's awake.
Nuh-uh.
Who's asleep?
Gavin.
Well, wake him up and he will go.
It's not time to go. You're wasting your time on that tablet.
Right on top of it.
You're wasting time on that tablet.
Oh, I told you. Because he was run.
I told you to go try it.
No, because he's a bomb.
You're so crazy.
Papa.
Why are you wasting time, Dom?
Because we need to leave now.
No.
Yes, we do. Like this.
Dom, why are you wasting my time?
Because you wasting Tyler's time.
We're wasting Tyler's time?
Yep. You wasting everybody's.
Why?
That's,
Well, stop it.
well, it won't let me.
Why?
Because it don't like me. It wants me to keep talking till morning night.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What don't like you? Time?
Yeah.
Yes, it does.
It's they left on stove yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Was that the temperature?
Yep.
No, we can't. You see, don't they, man? Are you going?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you're doing a love toes. And Snappy. I want to do Snappy next.
We already did Snappy.
I want to do 100 snaps.
You're crazy.
Let's do snaps until we leave to sing.
Oh, no, no, no. That's wasting time. You said you don't like people wasting your time.
Oh, now I do.
You're crazy.
Do you don't get messy with that?
You don't get messy with that.
Wait, I just said messy to Tabby.
You said it. Are you looking at yourself in the screen?
Yeah, but cute eyebrows.
You have cute eyebrows?
Yep, and what's so funny about you?
You were funny.
You wasting your time, but
You're wasting your time.
eat a dingle baby.
Ew, no. Why are you so gross?
Because I'm always those every day.
Why is gross funny?
Because it's a butt
No, why is gross funny?
Because it's poop.
Really?
Well, what did the Steves do?
It's a fist. Sort of. A little bit. What is it?
A butt
Really?
Yeah. There's a surprise in here for you.
What is it?
Butt
Ew.
Eat it.
No, you eat it.
No, that's a surprise. A French fry.
Oh, I love French fries.
And then that's a surprise. A stinky sock.
Ew.
Eat it.
You're so gross.
Eat them.
You eat the stinky sock.
And then that's a surprise. Pizza.
Yay.
No. Oh,
Careful.
Holding. And then that's a surprise. Dingle baby.
Ew.
Eat it. It's in your mouth.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Baby, how this happens.
Pooh, pooh.
That happens. And then there was a surprise for you.
Oh, yeah?
A new hero.
Yay. We need one at home.
Yep. This being a new hero.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, why does this house need a hero?
So we'll be warm.
So it will go met people.
Yeah.
How does it do that? Is it magic?
I guess so.
Hey.
Do you want it to be magic?
Yeah.
You have mustard all over your mouth from your lunch.
Mr. Stamina forever.
Why? Are you going to eat it later?
I want everybody have have mustard in their mouth.
Ew. I don't want mustard on my mouth.
Yeah, you love mustard.
I do love mustard.
I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
A new phone with no battery.
It has to have a battery or it won't work.
Well, it's so different new one that never dies.
Yeah.
Who's coming out?
Who is it?
It might be Pino. It might be off this spot now.
Think so?
He just had an owl on it.
No, we didn't.
It's like it sent it to the dog.
Yeah.
See, Pino's off.
It is Pino.
Now I take the spots. He's off.